Hi, good day folks. Today we will see how to trace an image by using Coreldraw software. So first I will show you what is the difference between open command and import command. We can import a file, usually the JPG or PNG file we will be importing to Coreldraw, and I will show you what will happen if we try by using the open option. So usually in every software we try to open a file in Photoshop, everything. So in the download section, this is a JPG file. You can see on the right side there is a JPG written on the type section. So I'm trying to get this JPG into Coreldraw file using the open command. It will show that you can use by import command. So here the file name and cannot be opened, try using the import command. Okay, so we will try by using the import command.
और क्या चीज़ है इसमें? तो डिज़ाइनर को लेने का गाड़ी आपका लेके जाना पड़ेगा। ये लोग लेके जा रहे हैं हमारे में। बोलेगा तो मैं नीचे से जाएंगे फिर उसको।
So this is the PNG file. You can import the PNG file using the import.
हो गया फिर आके लेके।
Here this is a JPG image. Only one single color is here. So you can click the right button. Go for quick trace. These all are quick trace. You can opt for other tracing option where you can edit. So if you need a quick trace, just click the quick trace button. So you can see this is the JPG image. So only the border you can see the black color. When you select the file, this is the one which is just now traced. So you can see the blue lines and inside also the logo lines you can see. So click the right button, press the ungroup all button and select the background. So now everything is a separate vector file. Click the background, delete, and you can see everything is separated. This is how you trace a image. There is one thing I need to put into notice, that if the image is less resolution or not high resolution, there is problem arises with small editing you need to do. So for that, you can see on the right side base part of this letter there is little defects. See, usually if the image is less resolution, so much points comes. Here there is one unnecessary node coming, so you need to delete this node and make the letter good. So this is how you align the thing, horizontal and vertical. Okay, so if I need to delete this node, just either double click this node, or you can click one time the node and click the right button, so there is delete option, or otherwise just double click. And if you need you can see here there is a difference between this point and this point. So if you want to make that correct, okay, this arrow mark is a great editing tool. You can bring it to the baseline which I have just put. So here also there is slight difference, so we will correct this arrow mark also. Okay, this is how you edit, and I will show you what will happen if we try to trace a gradient file. Gradient file are not suggestible for tracing. the main problem is that the colors in the gradient will be traced separately. I'll show you right now. This is a gradient logo. Now I will show you what will happen if we try to trace a gradient file. So this is the gradient file. I'm just importing. You can see there is a blue gradient over here. So I will show you what is the outline trace looks like. High quality image or detail logo. There are a lot of options. Like you can see on the right side, we can increase the details and we can customize our editing. See. So if you need a more customized tracing, you can go for the other options. There are a lot of options in tracing, smoothing, corner smoothing, and we can view also. We can preview what are the editing going on. There are centerline tracing, outline tracing, high quality image, clip art, detail. There are a lot of options. You can go through them in details. And if I'll show you just by showing how cube trace works. Cube trace. My point is that by the gradient, if you trace, I'm going to go here. See, this gradient has been traced into 3 colors, and it will be like 3 separate vectors. This is how you try to trace a image. Okay, so tracing for a gradient file is not suggestible. Either you can trace the border and you can put the one solution for this is you can draw and put a gradient, or either else you can just trace. I'll show you. Outline trace, high quality image, and give the details to minimum. Give the details to minimum, so you will get the border. So you can put the gradient into this. Okay, the gradient option I will show you in another video how to put the gradient. Okay, alright, this is how we trace a file. Thank you for watching, and if you have any doubt, please let me know through the comment section, and for more follow-up videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.